Going to be unboxing the 4K Ultra HD with the Blu-ray and digital code Wreck-It Ralph from Disney. This is part 1. This is, I believe, was $34.99 or $32.99, not too sure. Here's the J card. You guys want to pause that and check out the features? It's the back of the steelbook. It's all glossy. This is embossed, as is this up here. There's the spine. Then the cover. This is embossed, so is the joystick and the buttons, and glossy. You get, I think, 2 discs, the 4K and then the Blu-ray. There's the inside of the steelbook, and then the complete steelbook open. So yeah, thanks for watching, guys.